Hey, back again with a new Nepros haul. So this particular haul, I've been waiting for this for quite some time. This was actually ordered from Nepros.net, and they are pretty slow recently. So this took like, I don't know, over a month to get here, maybe a month and a half. So it took quite a while. But they have excellent prices, but that is extremely long wait. So let's take a look at some of these items. The ones that really caught my eye, or what I wanted to get primarily, were the some quarter-inch extensions from Nepros. So these are the Nepros quarter-inch Wobble Fix extensions. You can see the Wobble Fix profile there. And we have 150 millimeters, 75 millimeters, 50, and 25 millimeter. So let's take a look at these. First off, the 25 millimeter. Beautiful chrome, beautiful finishing. Little schmoo. And let's check how they fit on our quarter-inch long ratchet here. Very nice fit. Extremely small amount of slop on there. And so that is the 25 millimeter. Going on, we got the 50 millimeter. Let's open these up. Very beautiful. Wow. Exquisite chrome on these. It's just hard to deny the quality of these Nepros items, and their manufacturing is just superb. And 150 mil. So that's about as long as I would really need for most quarter-inch operations. Beautiful. So that's the quarter-inch extensions from Nepros. And what else we got? I got a couple of the some of my most used sizes in quarter-inch sockets for the in the deep socket. So I got 12 millimeter here. Just beautiful chrome. Perfectly manufactured. KTC Nepros. So that's a 12 millimeter. Got a 10 millimeter deep. And a 14. Probably should have got an 8 as well. I don't use 8 too much, but for quarter-inch, 10, 12, and 14 are the ones I used more than anything. Okay, so that's the deep sockets I got in this little haul. Let's see how they work with the Wobble Fix extensions. So 12 millimeter, very nice. Let's see how tightly that holds it. So nice tight hold on that socket. Even on the long, I'm not going to have to worry about that falling off or just hitting something and coming off. So that took a bit of force. So that's nice. And the fix. So you got the fix there. That works nicely. Wobble. You can see how much wobble you get, which is quite a bit for what these are. At the extreme angle, you can get a slight amount of binding with these, and it kind of ramps up each corner of the square drive there. There you go. So you can kind of see it doing that there. But as long as you're not forcing it towards the edge of its range, they work pretty smoothly. At least I found them to. So those fit very nicely. What else we got in here? Let's see. Got a 1/4 inch to 3/8 adapter with a spinner. So very beautiful. Chrome on these is immaculate. Just perfect. Look at that chrome. Anyway, that's 1/4 inch to 3/8. There's a 3/8 17. 1/4 inch to 3/8 with a spinner. So I actually have a 1/4 inch to 3/8 adapter here from Nepros, and the spinner adapter is the same height. It just has the spinner portion, which I actually like better. I love the spinner functionality. So another adapter there. It is the same as this Koken spinner adapter. I like the Nepros spinners better. I like the rubber grip and the larger diameter. I prefer these. The Kokens are excellent, they're wonderful, but I do gravitate towards the Nepros. And what else we got here? This is a 3/8 30 mil extension, Wobble Fix, of course. Let's see how that fits on a 3/8. Very nice. And with a 3/8 socket. So we get the nice wobble functionality there, and the fix. Very solid feeling. Takes a fair amount of force to pull it off the fix, which is what I would like, and you're not going to bump that and have it come off. So that's pretty, it's on there very nicely. So that's very positive. You can actually, it feels like I can trust that, not just hit a bump and then have this fly off. Judging with a standard extension, Nepros extension. Oops. And the force needed to get it off, very similar. So that is the 30 mil Wobble Fix extension, 3/8, and got a 3/8 to 1/4 inch adapter. Beautiful little adapter there. So we can take our 3/8 down to 1/4 inch sockets. Very nice. These tactile kind of things with the rubber, it really does add something to using the tools. It just feels very nice in the hand, and it's a good detail that Nepros has kind of innovated in. I mean, it's not that much of an innovation, it's rubber, but they really pull it off very nicely, especially on their spinners. I love the rubber on their spinners. So functional, adds so much to using ratchets, socketry items. And then lastly, we have a 3/8 to 1/2 inch adapter. Oops. Very clean. So 3/8 to 1/2 inch. Do I have a 1/2 inch here? Big 30 mil. So 3/8 to 1/2 inch. And lastly, just for fun, kind of, I've had this 8 and 10 millimeter wrench for a while, and I got the same wrench in some other sizes I use a lot, 12 and 14 millimeter open-ended double-sided wrench. Look at the finish on that. I mean, it is stunning, beautiful. KTC, made in Japan. So this has been my my latest Nepros haul, and absolutely love Nepros. The quality, the functionality, the manufacturing, the beauty of it. They are excellent in the truest sense of the word. So this has been the latest Nepros haul. Thanks for watching. See you next time.